Dr. Poston worked with any student or optometrist who sought his help. It was also his desire to improve the diversity of optometry. The challenges he faced along the way were unmatched by his strategic ability to circumvent and surpass and succeed. He lived the meaning of respect, creative perseverance, and the never-ending quest for moving optometry forward. VSP continues to mirror his values. He left a legacy of accomplishments through his own perseverance and the joy of seeing others persevere toward their goals.
Here you said, if we were to take where VSP started, the concept that it was by, for, and of optometry and community, then we have to recognize the diversity of who played the role, and we couldn't agree more. I'm proud to see diversity, equity, and inclusion continue to influence and drive our business and how we operate with our employees, our members, clients, doctors, and our communities. One of Dr. Poston's gifts back to the community was his commitment to mentorship for the next generation of optometrists.
I didn't even know that there were black eye doctors. I mean, everybody in my family wore glasses, but no one had seen a black doctor. So I went to Dr. Poston. He gave me an exam. I have the first pair of glasses that he prescribed for me. He said, "Young lady, have you considered being an optometrist?" And I said, "No." And he says, "Well, I think you need to give that some thought because we need black doctors." So I ended up being the second black woman to graduate from Berkeley 39 years after he graduated as the first black man.
The Poston Foundation and the Poston family are beyond grateful for our relationship with VSP as we continue Dr. Poston's mission to support students of optometry and advance the profession through private practice. If he were here today, I think he would be as overwhelmed with gratitude as I am.